I'm good.
I'm
I'm good.
fine. I'm fine. It's been a long time since we last spoke, right? It's been,
I think
yeah,
it's a week. I think it's a week.
yeah, a week or two. Correct.
A week. A week.
Okay, okay. How are your sessions going on Clap and Go?
It's going pretty well. Actually, it was the last session that I took with you only actually. So actually,
Okay.
I took a plan once
Hmm.
in a week.
Once in a week.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it. So yes, how is your day going on so far?
Uh, as usual, nothing special.
Okay.
Yeah. So what about
Okay.
you? What did you
Um,
do?
Yeah, I woke up a little early today, okay? So I managed
Oh,
to go
great.
for a morning walk. That was very refreshing. I'm so glad.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, the days that I get up early, I feel like, yes, Mega, you have to do it very often from now. But then
Exactly.
the next day again, I wake up late. So it's like,
It happens.
yeah, it happens
Oh,
now.
Also, we feel the changes like whenever we start get up early in the morning. So we
Yeah,
feel positive. We feel good.
yeah.
Still we don't follow the routine.
That's true. Like, even though we feel good, we know, yes, this is what you have to do. It's
Yes,
it becomes a little difficult. Yeah, let's see.
exactly.
Something is better than nothing, right? You just have to start and then keep continuing.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
it. Okay, okay. And did you get a chance to go through the session document?
yeah. I have done. I have gone through that this session document.
Awesome. So, are you okay? Are you comfortable discussing this topic, or do you want to talk
Yeah,
about
yeah.
something else?
No. We go with session documents only.
Okay, we can go with the session document.
Okay, we can go with.
Yes, we can go with the session document. True. And today's topic is inventions and discovery, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
when you were a kid in school, did they ever make you memorize the inventors and their inventions, the discoveries and all? Were you ever made to memorize all the stuff?
Like what we did in our school, or you
Yeah,
talking
in
about
school.
what we learned something? Yeah,
No,
came to
in
know
school,
something.
did your teachers ever make you memorize the list of inventors and their inventions?
No, actually, I did my schooling from a government primary school, so there's nothing.
Okay, okay,
So we have to bring
okay.
uh, our mat with us. So it's like that, not a proper
Oh, you had to
convent
bring your
school.
own seating arrangements.
Yeah. We had to bring our mat and our book, slate and what can I say, chalk. What was that? Chalk,
Chalk,
right?
yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, chalk only.
yeah. So
Yeah.
I did my schooling in that way. So invention
Okay.
and
Okay, okay. That's nice. I mean, different. I've never heard, heard of this. So in my school, we had a subject called as general knowledge, okay? So
okay.
it was important, but it was like a dummy subject. They would give us an exam, but the marks would never be counted. It was that kind of a subject, okay?
Yeah.
And they would give us a list of inventions, the inventor, the year in which it was invented, and we had to memorize all of it. It was such a huge task. So I just
Right.
thought, let me. So
So
that used to
the
happen.
first
Mhm.
invention I came to know when I was in 10th.
Okay.
So there is a chapter called Einstein. Uh,
Einstein. Okay.
or another was on the name of
Mhm.
uh, who invent the electric bulb.
Ah, okay. Like the
He,
Thomas Alva
uh,
Edison story.
yeah, Thomas Alva Edison story, right?
Mm.
So
That's
then
like a
I came to know
staple.
that, yeah.
Yeah, you
So
can
there,
continue.
so you read this story as well, Thomas Alva Edison.
Yes, yes, yes. That is like a staple in all the schools, right? He tried so many times, but he failed.
Right,
Then
right.
finally, he was able to, invent the light bulb. So, how did they teach
Yeah.
you?
So
How
they
did they tell you the story?
no, it was a lesson in my book actually. So
Okay.
they taught us that lesson actually. So
Mm.
yeah, it was very inspiring for everyone. So like
Okay.
his teacher got they
Mm.
uh, let him to go to home, like you can't
Mhm.
attend, you couldn't attend the classes, you are so
Mhm.
dumb. And
Ah.
they wrote a letter to her mom
Mhm.
actually, his
His
mom,
mom. His mom. Mhm.
his mom. So
Yeah.
his mom don't tell that guy
Okay.
Thomas Alva Edison. They so
Okay.
he asked her
He
mom that he asked her mom that
he asked his mom.
he asked his mom that what is
Yeah.
written in that letter. So
Okay.
she said
Mhm.
uh, boy, you are so genius that that
Mm.
school can't handle you. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. So that's
so
sweet.
then he went on new things every day. Like he ate up the insect
Mhm.
while he saw the bird flying. So he thought that a bird can fly because he eats the insect. So she mixed all these insects in a
Mhm.
he grind
Bowl.
these insects and he
Mhm.
drink it up.
He drank it up.
He drank it up. So
Okay.
yeah, so finally he
Mhm.
invented the electric bulb.
Mhm.
And in one fine day, he
Mhm.
was cleaning his house.
Mhm.
So he found that letter,
Mhm.
and when he read that letter,
Yeah.
so in letter it was written like your boy is so dumb, he
Okay.
can't, so we can't go with him. So
Mhm.
it will create a negative effect to our all student,
Oh. Okay.
so you can bring that your child and keep him study at home, make him study at
Okay.
home.
Make him study at home. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah,
Make him
make him
study
study
at
at home.
home. Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that was
Uh,
the conclusion.
Okay. And he invented the light bulb finally, right?
Yeah,
The boy who
right,
was called dumb in school. So yeah,
exactly.
inspiring story, right? The stories that we hear in our childhood, I think they stick in our memories for a long time. I feel they leave a much greater impact.
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
correct, right? Yeah. And if you were to explain the difference between invention and discovery to any other person, okay? Suppose there is someone who doesn't know what exactly is the difference between invention and discovery, and they use the words interchangeably. So how would you
Yeah, yeah.
explain to them in a simple way?
So invention is something that is not exist
Mm.
in the world, and you
Yes.
invented it or you prepared it with your
Mhm.
thoughts and your knowledge. Discovery is something it
Yeah,
already exists.
brilliant. Mhm.
Discovery is something that is already exists in the
Already
world,
exists.
and you just
Yeah.
found it, and you are
Hmm.
showcase that something to everyone that what is the use of that.
Brilliant, Praveen. That's great. That's the best way to explain to someone. Like invention means you use the word, right? Prepare it from your own knowledge. You created it
Yeah,
basically. And invention, you use the word found. It already exists, but you ended up finding it and you just
yeah,
showcase
yeah,
to the world. That's the best way to put it. Great, great job. Okay.
yeah.
And according to you, what is the most important invention till date? It can be anything simple, okay, like a phone, watch, anything. What do you feel like is the
Yeah,
most important invention?
I think if we talk about
Mhm.
the most, you can say mobile is the best.
Okay, mobile is the best invention.
Yeah, let you can think like if it will not exist, so how
Mhm.
can I how could I take these classes online classes, or
Yeah, yeah, correct.
and how these office work will be going, would we done without these, like we are
Without the
doing a
use
home
of
work.
mobile.
Yeah, yeah, like we are doing a work from home, or
Mhm.
in this pandemic we realize the exact importance of the mobile and the gadgets like a laptop and
Yeah.
all.
Yes, yes, 100%. Like it's become more essential than ever, right? First of all,
exactly.
I think none of us would have had ever imagined that we will be in such a situation. Had you ever thought
Yes.
that you will get 1.5 years
Never,
of
never,
work from home?
never, never. Whenever we ask, whenever we asked our boss, I need a 2 days leave, or I
Huh?
want to do work from home.
Hmm?
No, not at all, not possible.
Exactly. Yeah, so much attitude, so much shade they would throw at us, right? Do you remember? And now,
Or in these days, whenever we ask for whenever office will be resume, okay, don't
Mhm.
worry, do work from home.
Work from
no,
home.
no need to come.
Yeah, please don't come. Work from home
Don't,
for
don't.
as long as you can. That's like that. It's become like that now, right? They don't want us back in
Yeah,
office.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, correct. So it's a very funny thing if you think of it, yeah. And
Yeah, yeah.
have they have you received any news from your office that okay, this is when we'll start reopening our offices? I think you had mentioned that you've gotten some news.
Yeah, yeah. I got a mail, but our boss
Your
not
audio
going
got
to
it's fine. It's fine now.
actually got a call, so that's why. Actually,
Okay,
I
okay,
got a mail from HR, but my
mm-hmm.
boss denied. He rejected that mail. So he
Okay,
suggested to HR like let my team
mhm.
work from home.
Okay.
So don't gather so many people in the office actually.
Yeah, good thinking on your boss's part. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And what do you feel has been the most has been the worst invention? Something you feel like okay, this shouldn't have been invented. Our world would have been much better off without it.
Hmm, not currently in my mind. You can suggest.
Nothing. Okay, I think that atom bombs maybe.
Yeah. Anything that
Mhm.
um, harm people or
Mhm. That harms people.
that harms people. Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Okay, so those kind of things you wish they were not invented at all.
Yeah, like gun and all.
Yeah, correct, correct. That's true. And I had read this interesting fact, okay, somewhere that more people die due to knives, okay? They get stabbed more. The number of deaths due
Okay.
to stabbing is more than the deaths due to being
Gun.
gunned down.
Oh my
Yeah, I
God.
had read about it. So then I changed my opinion. Okay, maybe instead of guns, maybe knives are
Yeah,
more
yeah.
dangerous. Yeah, I had read it
So
somewhere.
the most of the news came with the
Mhm.
what is the word when someone cut the neck of
Slit,
slit slit. Yeah.
slit, yeah,
Yeah,
slit
yeah,
someone's
slit.
throat.
Yeah, yeah. So these news are more often in the news actually. This type of
Yeah.
art. Yeah,
Yes. So basically, anything that can injure people, I think better, or the world would have been better off without it. Yeah.
exactly.
And if you had all the resources in the world, okay, all the money, all the resources, what would you like to invent? Is there anything that's in your mind and you feel like, okay, if this thing is there in the world, at least it would make my life easier? Is there anything like that?
Yeah, I think we should. I
Mhm.
we can if it would be great if I can uh, invent the something that we can go in our past.
Time machine.
Time machine. Yeah, so we can live
Okay.
our childhood again.
Please, Praveen, invent one. It
Yeah,
would be so helpful.
exactly.
Okay, time machine. And apart from time machine, anything else?
Rest is fine.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
yeah, or
Okay. So
anything
time
else
machine
that
is great.
okay.
Hmm.
I ask one thing to you, like if you got a chance to invent something that
Okay.
you can see the future, you can predict the future. So is
Okay.
it
Predict the
good?
future.
Yeah. So it is good to you or it will bad. It will be bad.
It is good to me or bad? First of all, I'll tell you, I'm not that interested in looking into the future. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. I like that excitement of not knowing what is ahead of me. I like that. So
Yes.
if
Exactly.
there was a machine that could foretell the future, I would definitely use it to my benefit. Okay, I will start my own maybe like an astrology kind of a office,
Yes.
and I would tell people, if you are interested, you can come to me, pay me, and I'll tell you the future. I would do that. I would monetize it.
But I think if you can predict your future exactly what is going to happen, so
Mhm.
it will it will make harm to people actually. So
Okay.
I know
Mhm.
I am going to fire from my job from next month.
Okay,
So
get fired. Yeah.
from get fired. So today onward, I
Mhm.
will not work with my whole heart or with my
Yeah.
dedication.
Yes.
Or if I get to know that like I am going to get a job
Mhm.
with like a very good package.
Mhm.
So I will not work on my communication. Like okay, I am getting only
I'm gonna
uh,
get it anyways.
yeah. So why should I work on my communication and all?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
think in that way
Yes,
it
it
is
can be
not useful.
harmful, right? Yes, even I feel
Yeah,
like it's pointless, because as you mentioned that it creates, first of all, if you can see something negative, it creates anxiety. First of all, that thing.
exactly.
And second, if you see something really positive in the future, you'll become lazy in the present, right?
Yes.
So these
Yeah.
two things are there. Correct, Praveen. That is
Also,
also something I
or
agree with.
anything sad thing are going to happen, and you
Mhm.
already know that it is going to happen. So
Yeah.
you you lost your current whatever you are enjoying and all.
You will lose your
You will
current
lose current
interest. Hmm.
yeah enjoyment and all whatever you are
Yeah.
enjoying.
Absolutely. True, true, true. Very true. We will lose that. So I think going to the
Yeah,
future, I'm not interested. Like, are you? No, right? Even you want
yeah.
to go to the
No,
past.
no, no. Yeah, I want to go in my
Yeah.
past actually.
Same pinch. Okay, same here. So yes,
Future should be
there was a time.
future should
Yeah,
be safe as it is going on. Future should go as
yeah,
it whatever
100%.
is going on. Yeah, yeah,
Absolutely. We have to work towards our future, right? That's all. That's all we can do.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Yep, yep. Great, nice. Again, a very, very interesting conversation with you. I'm glad that we could have this discussion. And is there
Great
anything
to
else you want to ask me? The corrections I've given you today
nothing.
in between, okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Whenever you made, yeah. So, and can you tell the word special? Can you pronounce the word special for me once, please?
Special,
Okay, shall, special.
special,
Yes, yes, yes. So
special.
sometimes that, yes, very good, perfect. So this
Okay.
one pronunciation of sure, na?